Hi, Phil here from Mr. Mechanic. If you're looking for a forklift built for today's warehouse, let me introduce you to the GO Electra Lithium-Ion Forklift. Available in 3,000 to 7,000 pound capacities, the GO Electra features sealed, brushless AC motors and a maintenance-free lithium-ion battery that provides up to 6 hours of runtime with fast charging. There's no battery watering, no battery changes, and no dedicated charging room required. Compared to traditional lead-acid forklifts, the GO Electra can reduce maintenance costs by up to 80%. No engine oil, filters, tune-ups, or battery maintenance. Just your daily safety inspection, regular greasing, and you're ready to work. Every unit comes standard with a 3-stage full free-lift mast, 4-way hydraulics, ready for attachments, LED lighting, a backup camera with a 7-inch display, a blue safety light, strobe light, and a comfortable ergonomic operator compartment. Whether you need a 3,000, 5,000, or 7,000 pound model, or a custom-built forklift to your specifications, we've got you covered. We also offer lease-to-own financing, Canada-wide delivery, and a demonstration unit at our Oakville showroom. Come by, take it for a test drive, and experience the GO Electra before you buy. For more information, give us a call at 905-275-8072. Mr. Mechanic, big enough to help, small enough to care.